is Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC, and today we're going to make a little quick video here. It's going to be different, but it's a checklist of things that you can look at when you're appealing a denied religious or medical exemption. Radzwion Law has had countless conversations over the last few months with employees facing wrongful termination and blatant discrimination by their employers, who honestly just don't seem to care about the law or their employees' personal beliefs or medical conditions. So we have compiled a checklist or a step-by-step guide for you in the basics of handling your exemption. Remember, this should not be taken as legal advice, and you should always consult with a trusted attorney. So step one, let's get at it. Step one is file an exemption with your employer. Obviously, to be exempted, you must file an exemption. Keep a copy for yourself. If you file an electronic version, try and take pictures or screenshots of each form or each page on the screen. Step number two, expect a denial. Many employers do not care about your rights and are gambling that you will not take action against them in court. They will continue to bully you if you let them. Keep a picture, screenshot, or copy of the employer's denial. Your attorney will want to review the denial. Many are sent in a generic auto reply email. Step number three, appeal. After being denied, resubmit your request for an exemption. You can do this either by using the same process as your first request, or if time is running out and you're facing a deadline, you may want to contact the Human Resource Department or HR directly. You could email HR or create an HR ticket. Whatever route you choose, use the route that your employer uses for you to send notice to HR. In the notice to HR, it should make clear your position as to why you are exempted and that HR should follow the law and approve such exemption. Step 4, expect a denial. Again, many employers are gambling that you will not stand up for your rights, and they will continue to bully you if you let them. Step 5, immediately file a charge with the EEOC. The EEOC, or the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, is the agency that helps investigate claims for discrimination. You will want to create a complaint or a charge and file it with the EEOC. There are several options when filing a claim, and the directions can be found at the bottom of this page or in the description box. The laws enforced by the EEOC require you to file a complaint, to file a charge, before you can file a lawsuit for unlawful discrimination. The anti-discrimination laws give you a limited amount of time to file a charge of discrimination. In general, you need to file a charge within 180 calendar days from the day the discrimination took place. And every time the employer denies you an exemption, you may file a complaint with the EEOC. Step number 6 is call and retain a trusted attorney. You will want to consult with a trusted attorney at this point. They will be able to advise you on what to do next, and they should be willing to advise you on how to file a complaint or a charge with the EEOC. Now let's look at some bonus tips here. Bonus tips would be never quit. Never tell your employer you will quit if they don't approve your exemption. Number 2, make the employer fire you. If your exemption gets denied and you are still on the schedule to work, the attorney might want you to show up and try to go to work. You must use your best judgment here. That is why having a retained, trusted attorney would be wise to advise you on how to handle each specific situation. The last bonus tip is send a clarification to HR. If you have said that you would quit in the past, or the forms that you filled out forced you to check a box or write something stating that you would quit, you may want to send an email or a letter to the Human Resource Department, HR, stating that you are not quitting your job if your exemption is denied. Key points: think like a lawyer. Document everything and make copies of everything. Keep those copies. Your attorney will be impressed and grateful that you did. If you would like to retain Radzwion Law PLLC as your trusted attorney, do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to protect you when you need it most, and we will fight for your freedom. Thanks for watching.